In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set auction versus buy it now on eBay, a helpful tutorial for beginners designed to guide you through the choices and steps involved in making your listing. eBay provides sellers with flexible options to market their items, and deciding between an auction format and a buy it now option can significantly impact your selling strategy. Let's dive into exactly how to navigate these options effectively. First things first, you'll need to start a new listing on eBay. Head over to the top right of your eBay homepage and click on Sell. This will take you to the listing creation page where you'll be able to enter all the details about the item you're selling. This step sets the stage for everything that follows, so pay attention to the details you enter about your product. Once you've started your listing, it's time to decide whether you want to sell your item through an auction or as a buy it now offer. This decision largely depends on your selling strategy and the type of item you're listing. Auctions can be exciting and might drive higher final prices if interest is high, whereas buy it now is more straightforward and allows buyers who want to make an immediate purchase to do so at a set price. Choose what feels right for your situation. After selecting your selling format, you'll need to enter your pricing details. If you've opted for the auction format, you will want to set a competitive starting price that attracts bidders without underpricing your valuable item. Consider what similar items are starting at and set your price accordingly. On the other hand, if you've chosen to go with the buy it now option, you'll enter the fixed price at which you're willing to sell your item. Be sure to do a bit of market research to help determine a competitive yet profitable price. Finally, once everything is set up to your satisfaction, it's time to save and publish your listing. Review all the details carefully to ensure that everything is accurate and complete, including descriptions, images, and shipping options. Once confirmed, hit that Publish button. Your item is now live for the world to see, and you can sit back as interested buyers start to take notice. In essence, choosing between auction and buy it now is about understanding your sales priorities, whether you're aiming for quick sales or hoping for competitive bidding. With these steps, you're well on your way to capturing the interest of buyers on eBay, maximizing your selling potential, and understanding the platform's capabilities. Remember, eBay is a powerful tool, and part of your success will come from understanding these options thoroughly and applying them wisely to your specific items and goals. Happy selling!